Hey there, welcome to Explore Trends channel. I bet you didn't know why 10,000 steps became the ultimate fitness goal. It's one of those benchmarks everyone seems to know about, but did you know it didn't start with a bunch of scientists in lab coats? Nope, it actually began as a marketing strategy in Japan. Crazy, right? Let's rewind to 1965. Dr. Yoshiro Hatano, a researcher at Kyushu University, was studying the link between walking and burning calories. Around the same time, a Japanese company launched a pedometer named the Manpo-K, which means 10,000 steps meter. Why 10,000? Well, it sounded catchy and symbolized an active lifestyle. Dr. Hatano estimated that going from 4,000 to 10,000 steps a day could help burn extra calories and improve health, which fit perfectly with the marketing campaign. Fast forward and this 10,000 step target spread like wildfire globally, thanks to fitness organizations, health campaigns, and of course wearable tech like Fitbits and Apple Watches. Even though studies later showed that 7,000, 8,000 steps might be just as good for longevity, the 10,000 number stuck. So why do we love this 10,000 step goal so much? Let's dive into the psychology behind it. First off, the goal is specific and measurable, making it easy for our brains to track progress. Reaching that target gives us a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, what psychologists call the completion effect. Plus, people are naturally drawn to round numbers. 10,000 feels like a complete, meaningful milestone. Studies show that whole, rounded numbers are more effective at driving action. Walking regularly releases dopamine, the brain chemical linked to motivation and reward. Hitting those 10,000 steps creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing the habit. Over time, sticking to this routine shapes our identity. We start seeing ourselves as active or healthy, making the habit easier to maintain. This is known as identity-based habit formation. And let's not forget social influence. With fitness trackers and step challenges, comparing ourselves to friends or seeing our step counts on apps creates a sense of accountability. It makes us more likely to stick to our goals. Bottom line, the 10,000 step rule started as a marketing gimmick in Japan, but it evolved into a global fitness trend thanks to its psychological power. The clear, rounded goal taps into our motivation, habit formation, and social influence. So, whether you hit 10,000 steps or not, the important thing is to keep moving and stay active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep stepping.